Group 1, Facebook and Self-Esteem by Ellie Govan, Courtney Parkinson, Stafa Magahed, and Rachel Kowalski. We chose to study Facebook because it plays an important role in our generation's daily life. Further, we were intrigued to find out whether or not Facebook use has an effect on individuals' self-esteem. Justification: to focus on Facebook and self-esteem in order to find a relationship between using Facebook as a result of one's self-esteem. Introduction: our hypothesis is college students who use Facebook heavily will have higher self-esteem. Self-esteem, according to Merriam-Webster, is defined as a feeling of having respect for yourself and your abilities.
Participants. We use social media to research participants, specifically Facebook users. The sampling method used was a survey, ending with a total of 83 participants. The survey was posted on members of our group's Facebook page. Participants then clicked on the link provided, which brought them to Qualtrics' website where the survey took place. Here's an example of one of our members' Facebook posts. Procedure. We used a survey consisting of 11 questions. Subjects who took the survey did so on their own time. Average time to complete the survey was less than 1 minute. Measure. The survey was modeled after the Rosenberg Self-Esteem Scale. The Rosenberg Self-Esteem Scale is a 10-question Likert scale answered on a 4-point scale. Answers range from strongly agree to strongly disagree. Shown is one of the questions from the Rosenberg Self-Esteem Scale. In order to fully understand the amount of Facebook usage of each individual, we added a question to the Rosenberg scale. We measured these results by using a cut point and what we found to be the average amount of hours reported by each participant. Shown is the question that was asked. On average, how many hours per week do you use Facebook? Participants were asked to enter any amount of hours.
After our group closed our online survey, we began to analyze our results. We then conducted an independent sample t-test on the Rosenberg Self-Esteem Scale in regards to how many hours per week college students used Facebook, greater than or equal to 12 hours per week and less than 12 hours per week. Based on our results, we used 12 hours because it was recorded as the average number of hours of Facebook use per week. Out of the 10 Rosenberg Self-Esteem Scale questions, 4 of these questions were reverse coded. These 4 questions include: all in all, I am inclined to feel that I am a failure. I wish I could have more respect for myself. I certainly feel useless at times. And at times, I think I am no good at all. The other 6 Rosenberg Self-Esteem Scale are: 1. I feel that I am a person of worth, at least on an equal plane with others. The second is I feel that I have a number of good qualities. The third, I am able to do things as well as most other people. The next question is I feel I take positive attitude toward myself. And the last question, On the whole, I am satisfied with myself. All 10 of these questions are rated on a 4-point Likert scale from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Based on our results, we composed a write-up which stated, to test the hypothesis that college students' Facebook affects their self-esteem, an independent t-test was conducted. Results indicated that the average KUDI score for college students who used Facebook greater than or equal to 12 hours per week, mean is equal to 3.27, with a standard deviation of 0.75, differed significantly from the average self-esteem score with equal variances assumed. T parentheses 73 parentheses is equal to negative 0.23. P is equal to 0.59, and thus the hypothesis was supported. As previously stated, our hypothesis was college students who use Facebook heavily will have higher self-esteem.
To summarize, we used an independent t-test to test our hypothesis. The results showed that college students who used Facebook 12 hours or less per week had a significantly different average self-esteem score than those students who used Facebook more than 12 hours per week. All in all, the results showed that the amount of Facebook use affects a college student's level of self-esteem. Patience. Now showing is the Qualtrics results we recorded from online. Some of the limitations we had were about demographics. We did not ask any questions about age. Therefore, we cannot confirm that people who took the survey were college students. This runs the risk of us having results that should not be included. A second limitation that we encountered was that we only used Facebook to distribute the survey. I posted on a lot of groups via the Greek system and on my status. Courtney posted in the Bronco Breaks group and via her status. Rachel also posted the link to the survey on their Facebook status. If we were to distribute the survey other ways, possibly through Twitter or email, we would be able to get more diverse results. For future research, we would advise confirming demographics such as age. Possibly knowing the education level would help interpret results as well. And although gender and ethnicity were not part of our study, the results with these demographics included would be interesting to interpret as well. Lastly, distributing the survey through different methods would increase more diverse results. Thank you for watching our presentation. I hope you enjoyed our study about Facebook and its effects on self-esteem on college students.